MG is stirring up the European automotive market once again. This time, it's with the announcement of the highly anticipated MGS5 EV, an electric SUV that promises to shake up the competition. As the British-badged, Chinese-owned company continues to make waves, this new model is expected to give established European brands like Volkswagen and Stellantis a run for their money. The MGS5 EV is set to replace the MGS EV, and it's built on the same modular scalable platform as the successful MG4 hatchback. This platform has already earned rave reviews and is helping MG achieve impressive sales, particularly in the UK, thanks to its incredibly competitive pricing. The new MGS5 EV will be longer and more refined than the outgoing ZS EV, stretching around 4,480 millimeters in length. This marks an increase of 162 millimeters over its predecessor, making it more spacious and appealing for families or those in need of more interior space. MG gave the world a preview of the MGS5 EV by releasing a series of teaser images, which give us just a glimpse of what to expect. One image shows the rear end of the vehicle with a distinctive transverse LED light bar that houses an illuminated MG logo, seamlessly blending into the taillights. This light design adds a modern touch and is sure to catch the eye on the road. The rear hatch also features a subtle spoiler on top and a sedan-style notchback lip, giving the MGS5 EV a dynamic and sleek look. In the second teaser image, we see the side profile of the MGS5 EV with taillights that form a Y shape. The door handles are traditional pull handles, which set this model apart from the trend of flush door handles found in many modern electric vehicles. Another notable design feature are the alloy wheels, which appear to take inspiration from the classic raw-style rims found on the MG, MGB, and Midget from the 1970s. This homage to MG's past helps establish the MGS5 EV as a vehicle that blends modern electric technology with the brand's rich heritage. MG already released the Chinese version of this model, the ES5, in October 2024, giving us a better understanding of the SUV's features. While MG hasn't yet disclosed all the technical specifications for the MGS5 EV, the ES5 gives us an idea of what's to come. In terms of power, the MG4, which shares a similar powertrain, starts with a 168 horsepower single-motor powertrain driving the front wheels. The ES5 in China uses a similar setup, and it's likely the MGS5 EV will offer both single-motor and dual-motor all-wheel drive variants in Europe, with outputs ranging from 168 horsepower to a high-performance 429 horsepower X-Power version. While MG's focus on affordability has earned the brand a loyal following, one area where the MG4 lags behind competitors is in its interior. The cabin design and materials are functional but fall short compared to other European, Japanese, and Korean rivals. However, MG promises that the MGS5 EV will feature a more premium interior without compromising the brand's commitment to value. This could be a significant improvement, allowing the MGS5 EV to compete directly with established brands in the European electric vehicle market. As for pricing, the smaller MG ZS EV starts at around £30,495, and the MGS5 EV is expected to come in at a slightly higher price, likely ranging from £32,000 to £34,000. This pricing is incredibly competitive for an electric SUV, especially considering the added premium touches and technology that will be featured in the MGS5 EV. With the MGS5 EV, MG is setting itself up for success in the European electric vehicle market. The combination of attractive design, competitive pricing, and a strong performance offering makes it an appealing option for anyone looking to switch to an electric SUV. It's clear that MG is here to challenge the traditional European carmakers, and the MGS5 EV is just the beginning of what's to come.